Hi, kindergartners. So for today's activity in math, you're going to need a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. If you don't have a whiteboard and a marker, you can also just use paper and a pencil or marker and a pencil. Marker and paper. So for math today, we're going to play Guess My Number or Read My Mind. So the first thing I want you to do is you can put the video on pause while you go get your paper and a pen or whiteboard and marker. And then once you have that, once you've got your materials and you're all ready to go, write the numbers from 0 to 10 on your whiteboard. So I'm going to do that on my whiteboard. Okay, so here's my list of my numbers. So then I'm gonna give you some clues, and as I give you the clues, use your paper or your whiteboard to help you keep track of what my number might be. So you guys are gonna try and read my mind. So I would cross out the ones that you know are not the number. So I'm thinking of a number, and my number is greater than 2. So if my number is greater than 2, I'm going to cross out all the numbers that are less than 2. So 0 is less than 2, 1 is less than 2. My number is greater than 2. My number is also less than 8. So my number is less than 8. So cross out the ones that it couldn't be. So I'm crossing out 9. It's less than 8. So you should have crossed out the 8, 9, and 10. Okay. My next clue is my number is greater than 4. It's greater than 4. So cross out all the other numbers left that are smaller than 4. My number is bigger than 4. So now I have all the numbers crossed out that are less than 4. Okay, here's the next clue. My number is greater than 5. My number is greater than 5. So cross out everything that doesn't fit that. And here's my final clue. Are you ready? My number is greater than 6. All right, do you have what you think my number is? Should be only one more number not crossed out on your whiteboard. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. My number was 7. Okay, let's play one more time. So I'm going to erase my paper. Or flip it. If you have a paper, you can just flip it over to the back and write on the back. 2, that also works. Trying to erase my whiteboard. And then we're going to again write the numbers from 0 to 10. So here's my numbers from 0 to 10. All right. And then if you're still writing yours, you can put it on pause. You can put the video on pause and then press play when you're done writing your numbers. Okay. I'm about to give my first clue so you can read my number. Read my mind. What number am I thinking of? So I'm thinking of a number that is greater than 2. My number is greater than 2. My number is also less than 8. Greater than 2, less than 8. So here are the numbers that I crossed out so far. I crossed out the 0 and the 1 because my number is bigger than those. And I crossed out 8, 9, and 10 because my number is smaller than all those. All right. Now my number is also less than 5. My number is less than 5. Okay. Cross out the numbers. That can't be it. Less than 5. Okay. So then once you've done that, here is the next clue. My number is greater than 2. Greater than 2. So in a moment, I will show you what I have so far. Okay, so my numbers, it is either a 3 or a 4. All the other ones have been crossed out. So here's my final clue. My number is greater than 3. My number is greater than 3. So there should be only one more number left. And it's the number 4. You're right. It's number 4. Great job. Okay. So I hope you had fun with my guess the number activity, and I will see you next time. Bye.